Is that my girl? Hey girl, hey. Welcome back to my channel, Antonette Shay. If you are new here, we like to talk about all things fashion, beauty, hair, girl chit chats, hygiene, lifestyle, all the good things. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell, that way you know when I upload, because I don't want you to miss any of my content. Okay, let's just jump right into it. Today I'm coming to the girls with a Micas haul. I know y'all been seeing Micas all over Instagram, all over TikTok. Well, I've been seeing it all over Instagram, and yeah, anyway. So I got a few pieces from there, and we're just going to jump right into the video, and we're not going to stall. So let's start off with this top that I have on. This is like this cute little, I'm looking in the mirror over here, but it's like this cute little, I don't want to say it's a graphic top. It's just like a neutral, like gray, beige kind of khaki colored top with like this little black abstract thing going on. And it is like a crop. It stops right here. It is really cute. There's nothing on the back. Let me do a little twirl so you can see. Okay, you saw. But this is really cute. The quality on this is actually pretty thick. The only thing is, like, you know, if you were to stretch this out, then the black is going to crack a little bit. But it is really, really cute. And it's like not too tight. It's real comfortable, and I like that. This is a size medium. So yeah, now I did pick this up to go with this skirt. Let me just tell y'all, hold up. The top is a medium, just for record. But I got this skirt. This is like this green khaki, you know, that cargo khaki kind of style that's been in. So I picked out this green skirt. It has a zipper and it's like a split at the bottom. I picked it up in a size small because based on the sizing chart, I was like, oh, okay, I'm a size small. And I started to get a medium. It doesn't fit me. That's really unfortunate because I wanted to like this. I know I like it, but I wanted to be able to fit this so bad and to go with this. Like, it would have been so cute. And especially with like the little split and the legs out. So for reference, I am typically like a size small. I wear like a 25 in jeans. So I went based off the chart, but it does not fit me. But it is cute. It has like this little, oh, that's not a pocket. I thought it was a pocket. I'm just going to show you guys the details up close. It has like these little ringlets in the back of it. And in the front. Now, if this zipped from the, like the bottom up, no, like the top going down, then I may have been able to like finesse it. But it zips like from the bottom up, and as soon as this bad boy hit my hips, it just wasn't going. But it is so cute. I really want to just order a size medium or large and see how that fits. But this is a cute pickup, and it definitely would have went cute with this outfit. I'm going to zoom out so you guys can see what it would have looked like. So I have been eyeing this piece online for the longest on Instagram. And then, of course, when Micas reached out to me, I was like, oh my gosh, when I saw that it was on the list, I was like, gotta have it. Let me back up. You see it? This is a really cute gold, like, midi skirt. Oh my gosh. It's cute. Let me move the hair so y'all can see. It's so cute. Wait, hold up, because it's like a little scrunched and stuff. But this dress, well, this skirt is so cute. Let me zoom in so y'all can see the details. So this is the skirt. It's so cute in its entirety. Y'all know I love gold. I live for gold. I just paired it with this little top just to like show you guys, you know, because I didn't get a top to go with this, but I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like. And oh my gosh. So first, let's get into it. It's seamless right here in the front. So it's just, you see how it kind of just like melts into the skin. But the back, it has like this little scrunch right here. And you see how it has that little crinkledness. Like, it just looks so cute. It's very nostalgic. It's very vacation vibes. I love this stretchy part right here. So it kind of gives you that, like, it makes sure it snatches you in. There's also a zipper right here that, and it's functional, so it zips. But you guys, this is so cute. And it has this cute split in the back. It has this really cute split in the back of it. So cute. I love it. It does stop a little bit shorter than I would have liked it, but it is still so cute nonetheless. This is really, really cute with like a simple top and some white shoes and a nice like gold bag or another bag with a little bit of gold and a lot of gold details. Like, I would do gold bangles, boom, boom, the gold jewelry, the whole nine. This is so cute. Y'all, it's so cute. I just love it. Like, look. I don't want to take it off. I do wish it was a little longer on me, just a little longer, but I do think because of my booty, it's taken away from the height a little bit because it's like pushing it up, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but this is so cute. This is definitely one of those pieces where you do not have to do too much. Like, I kind of want to leave this on today. I'm going to dinner tonight, so I just might, but this is so cute. Get a little picture in it. Okay, so the next top that I got is this cute, like, long ruche kind of top. It has like this twisted knot detail up here on the shoulder, and I think it's really cute. I like how it's like very fitted to your body right here, and then it has like this nice draping detail. This side is more like a 2-inch sleeve, so it's like it has like a lot going on, but it's cute. This is one of those statement tops that you don't have to do too much, and it is really cute to wear like on vacation as well, or like a nice brunch evening out. This is definitely, Micas is definitely coming with the vacation vibes, the everyday brunch kind of vibes, and I'm here for it. But I mean, just look up close. It's really, really cute. And look at the twisted knot detail. Like, come on. This is really long. Don't laugh at what I got it on with. I just threw it over the skirt because I don't have a bottom to pair with it yet. But if I stretch this, like, this top is long. If you wanted to like give like Y2K vibes, you could definitely put this on with some like cute pants and some like pointed toe heels, like some silver heels and a nice little bag with a cute little hat. That would definitely give those kind of vibes. But I like how you can kind of play around with this shirt and like ruche it up, make it a little bit shorter, and it doesn't look like you're doing too much. It just looks like that's how the shirt is. This is the back of it. The back is just plain, but the front, oh my gosh, love it. I don't know, I kind of want to wear this today. Don't know if I want to take it off. But anyway, that is everything that I have for this haul today. All the links will be down below. Make sure you check that description box for a code, because why would you shop online and not use a code? Make it make sense. Anyway, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.